Hi, I'm Tanya Janca, also known as SheHacksPurple, and I wanted to answer the question, why does the AI write insecure code? And the answer is that it was trained on terrible, terrible, terrible code. Um, all of the AIs are trained on code that they found on the internet. And that includes my terrible, terrible GitHub repo that has intentionally vulnerable examples that I used to teach. It has tutorials where all the security is supposed to be added later, where there's, code written by very well-meaning open source project maintainers who don't have an application security expert or a penetration tester or a threat modeler or any of those things to help them ensure the code that they're making is secure. They don't have a tool set that helps them make it secure. And so the AIs were essentially trained on average or below average code. And quite frankly, the average code that we have written over time, especially code that was written long ago when we weren't really super focusing on the security of code, um, is not great. And so as a result, like the corpus that it trained on was average or lower, and the average code in general, without any checks, without a security team, without security requirements, without threat modeling, without review, without any sort of analysis, without tools that can help ensure you're creating secure code, and without people like experts ensuring it, yeah, generally that code's not necessarily that safe either. And so that's why the AI assistants are writing generally code that is not very secure. It's not that the AI companies are intentionally doing that by any means. And if they want to start retraining the AIs, I'm told they need at least 1 million lines of code that have not been touched by an AI that are perfectly secure. Do you know anyone that has over 1 million lines of perfectly secure code that wants to share it with them? Probably not. So this is where we're at. And I hope that you found this answer helpful. If you like it, please share. Thank you. I'm Tanya Janca, also known as She Hacks Purple.